0, 1.
Let's get started.
So hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have this VW Polo wheel that has had an episode with the curb. So we've done what we can with our straightening machine, and now let's see quite how good that inner edge is. That looks pretty good to me. So we'll check the inner edge. After we've done the inner edge, we'll then move it. Let's check that inner lip. Again, this was quite hard to manipulate and it did crack. We had lots of heat into it. We kept the tyre on just to try and hold the shape. Looks pretty good. All we got to do now is add a little bit more weld to the top of there to create the shape, and we're going to drill a hole and get that split welded. So let's get this tyre off and get it on the welding bench. So that is the TIG welding complete. We had to build up that edge because of that tyre that stretched. You will be able to see that edge. Overall, looking good. So this is our powder coat chrome. All I need to do now then is get a clear coat onto that so we can dull it off. And there we have tyre back on, inflated. And there again, edge of that lip, which you see because of the stretched tyre. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you soon.